Hello everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today, I'll show you how to set the vivid filter as the default on your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. This quick setup will give your photos a vibrant, colorful look right from the start. Let's dive in. Step 1. Enable camera settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Under Camera, select Preserve Settings. Step 2. Enable Creative Control. In the Preserve Settings menu, find Creative Controls and toggle it on. This setting remembers your previous filters and adjustments, so each time you open the camera app, the Vivid filter will be ready to go. Step 3. Access Vivid filter in Camera. Open the Camera app. At the top of the screen, tap the arrow icon to open more camera options. Swipe through the Photographic Styles until you see Vivid. Set Tone to around +20 to enhance vibrancy, making colors stand out while keeping your photo balanced. Step 4. Capture with Vivid filter. Now, every time you take a photo, the Vivid filter will be applied by default. If you'd like to switch it off or change styles, you can easily toggle it back in the camera settings. That's it. This setting will automatically apply the Vivid filter each time you open the camera, giving your photos more life and color. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, click the bell, and subscribe to Error Genie for more helpful tech tips.